There are certain daily habits that can help you maintain a frugal lifestyle. Personally, I've always had a natural inclination towards frugality. Today, I'd like to share with you the 7 practices that I follow religiously to save money and manage our household budget effectively. Hello everyone, my name is Matthew, and I am delighted to have you join me today. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. Number 1. Make your own coffee. One of the best ways to save money and enjoy a personalized coffee experience is by making your own coffee at home. Whether you're into a strong espresso or a creamy latte, having the freedom to choose your beans, brewing method, and flavors lets you create the perfect cup of coffee tailored to your taste buds. Plus, brewing your own coffee gives you the chance to experiment with different techniques and recipes, turning your morning routine into a delightful and rewarding ritual. Apart from the joy of crafting your own cup of coffee, making coffee at home can save you a significant amount of money. Let's say you're spending $4 a day on your favorite latte from a local coffee shop. That adds up to around $1,460 per year. Now consider the cost of making coffee at home. A bag of high-quality coffee beans costs about $15, and it can get you around 30 cups of coffee. Even with the cost of milk, sugar, and other additives, you're looking at less than $0.75 per cup. Over a year, that's less than $275. The savings are clear. My personal favorite way to make coffee is using a French press. It's inexpensive, easy to use, and brings out the rich flavors of the coffee beans. I like to experiment with different types of beans, blending them in unique ways to create my signature brews. There's something about the process of grinding the beans, boiling the water, and pressing the coffee that makes each cup feel special. Number 2. Pack your own lunch. Eating out or ordering food every day can add up quickly, and before you know it, you could be spending hundreds of dollars a month on lunches alone. By preparing your meals at home, you have the power to control both the cost and the quality of your food. You can buy ingredients in bulk, use leftovers efficiently, and make healthier choices. Not to mention, home-cooked meals often taste better too. I began packing my lunch when I realized just how much I was spending on takeout. The $15, $20 per meal quickly added up to a significant amount by the end of the month. I started with simple meals, sandwiches, wraps, salads, and gradually moved on to more complex dishes. Now I spend some time every weekend meal prepping for the week ahead, and it's not only saved me money but also made my weekdays less stressful. Number 3. Embrace secondhand shopping. Buying used items can lead to significant savings on a wide range of products, including clothing, furniture, electronics, and more. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online platforms for buying and selling used items are great places to find quality products at a fraction of the cost. When it comes to clothing, I've discovered that thrift stores often offer unique and stylish pieces that you wouldn't typically find in regular retail stores. Plus, you can save a considerable amount compared to buying new clothes. It's a win-win situation for both your wallet and the environment, as you're reducing waste by giving pre-loved items a new home. For furniture and home decor, I frequently check online marketplaces and garage sales. Many times, people sell gently used furniture in excellent condition at incredibly low prices. I've been able to furnish my home with stylish pieces without breaking the bank. Electronics can also be bought secondhand with caution. When purchasing used electronics, I make sure to check their functionality thoroughly and negotiate the price. This way, I can get quality gadgets at a fraction of the retail cost. Remember, secondhand shopping doesn't mean compromising on quality. It's about being smart and resourceful with your purchases. Embracing this habit has not only helped me save money, but has also allowed me to find unique items that add character to my home and wardrobe. Number 4. Practice energy efficiency. Being mindful of energy usage is not only environmentally friendly but also a great way to reduce utility bills. Simple habits like turning off lights, unplugging devices when not in use, and adjusting the thermostat can lead to noticeable savings over time. To enhance energy efficiency, I've invested in LED bulbs, which consume less electricity and have a longer lifespan compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. Additionally, I make it a point to weatherproof my home, ensuring that doors and windows are properly sealed to prevent air leaks, especially during extreme weather conditions. Another energy-saving measure I follow is using energy-efficient appliances. When it's time to replace old appliances, I opt for Energy Star certified models, which consume less electricity and water without compromising on performance. By being conscious of energy usage and making these simple changes, I've been able to significantly reduce my monthly utility bills while contributing to a greener planet. Number 5. Use public transportation or carpool. While having a personal vehicle offers convenience, it can also be quite expensive considering the costs of fuel, maintenance, insurance, and parking. This can put a strain on your budget and limit your financial flexibility. However, there are more economical options available that not only save you money but also contribute to a greener environment. Using public transportation or carpooling is a great alternative. By taking the bus or subway to work, not only can you save a significant amount of money each month, but you also have the opportunity to relax, catch up on reading, or listen to podcasts during your commute. If public transportation isn't readily available in your area, carpooling with colleagues or neighbors is another cost-effective option. Not only do you save on fuel and reduce your carbon footprint, but carpooling can also be a social and enjoyable experience. On days when you do need a car, consider opting for car-sharing services instead of owning one. This way, you can enjoy the convenience of having a vehicle without the associated costs and responsibilities of ownership. Number 6. Negotiate and look for deals. When it comes to making purchases, whether they are big-ticket items, services, or even regular groceries, it's always a good idea to explore opportunities for negotiation and seek out deals. Many retailers, especially those selling furniture or electronics, are often willing to offer discounts or match competitor prices if you simply ask. Additionally, when shopping online, you can maximize your savings by using price comparison tools and searching for coupon codes that can unlock the best deals available. Moreover, don't forget to explore cashback websites that enable you to earn some money back on your purchases, further stretching your budget. Another strategy to consider is taking advantage of loyalty programs and reward cards, which allow you to accumulate points or earn cashback on your everyday purchases. By implementing these small but effective savings tactics, you can gradually build up substantial savings over time while still enjoying the things you need and love. Number 7. Home maintenance. Instead of immediately hiring professionals for minor home repairs or improvements, consider taking on the task yourself. Trust me, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the wealth of easily accessible online tutorials and guides that can equip you with the skills too. Fix a leaky faucet, paint a room, or even build a beautiful piece of furniture from scratch. Not only will engaging in home maintenance save you a significant amount of money, but it can also provide you with an incredibly fulfilling and empowering experience. Through personal experience, I have discovered that by embarking on various projects, I have acquired valuable skills and knowledge that allow me to expertly maintain my home without having to rely on expensive professional services. Moreover, the sense of accomplishment that accompanies successfully completing a project is truly unmatched. The pride and satisfaction that come from looking at a newly painted room or a perfectly fixed faucet are immeasurable. So, why not unleash your inner handyman or handywoman and embark on a journey of home improvement and self-discovery? The possibilities for enhancing your home are endless, and the rewards are truly immeasurable. Incorporating these frugal habits into your daily life can have a substantial impact on your financial well-being. Not only will you save money, but you'll also cultivate a mindful approach to spending, resourcefulness, and develop a stronger sense of financial discipline. By adopting these habits, you are taking a proactive step towards achieving long-term financial stability and freedom. So start implementing these frugal practices today and watch your financial health flourish. And that concludes today's video. Which point did I miss? Comment down your thoughts below, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon.